Are we live? Yes. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You're responsible for your own decisions. So, new day. We are negative on the MT4 account, the open PNL, but it's nothing. You can get scared by minus 5,000, but yeah, we can go, for example, this week so far, or this month. Let's do this month. So we are up 45,000. So no problem having some small drawdown. I've already entered multiple trades this morning. I've also shared with you in premium trade that I've entered, this EURUSD. I've shared it with you in the morning on Telegram. So yeah, if you want to access Telegram, first link in the description. Give me a second to add the TP levels. The entry was at 55. The first TP will be at 85. The second one will be at 55. And the third one will be at 55 also. So we'll be mainly trading gold this session, like always, at 55 exactly. So I've shared with you, like I've said, this trade on Telegram. I hope that we get some nice wins from it. And now you found me looking into gold. So yeah, let's start by the start of the day. We opened with a gap also. We revisited the gap here. We were printing higher highs and higher lows. If you can see right here, we have an equal high. Here we can count it as a lower low. That's why I'm still looking into gold to see what can we do. So a nice sell will be right here, but let's just wait and see. Let's wait for this candle to be over, then decide. Like always, if you have any questions, just let me know in the chat box, and also make sure to like the live stream and subscribe for future live streams. Yeah, this is the plan for this live stream session. So why I did this, let me change the color. So let's do it in green. So why did I do this level right here? Because we can see that the market has printed an equal high here, and here we have a low, here we have a higher low. So if we can break this level right here, the price will do something like this and continue trending up. But if we keep rejecting this level right here, that means we will be doing something like this, maybe then go up. That's why I'm keeping an eye on this level right here to know exactly what to do. Let's do the music and let's wait for this candle and see what will happen. But yeah, we are of course still in an uptrend. Let me just see if we can break this level or not, because a buy is more logical for me than a sell. Although we sold yesterday gold 2 times. The first time we had the full TP hit. The second time I closed at break even. And yeah, let's see. Everything is in front of your eyes. You just need to learn how to read it. So everything looks good on the live stream, isn't it? Yeah, I forgot to share the live stream link in Whoop. Give me a second. Give me a second. So announcements. Need the link. So we can see here that we are still rejecting this level, and we have 1 minute left for this candle to be over. So yeah, let's give it some time. Is it shared? Yes. So let's see. Sometimes we have a trade at the time I start live streaming. Sometimes we need to wait for a bit so we can get into a trade. But so far we will be just waiting. So we are at minus 6,000. No problem. Like I told you, I'm already up 45 this month. And yeah, I opened multiple trades this morning. I of course shared these trades with all my premium members on Telegram. So it's usual to see this kind of drawdown when entering new trades. Yeah, this candle says nothing. Let's see how this current candle will behave. If I can see, yeah, my best case scenario is the price to go down a bit, at least to this EMA, so I can buy it, or to this level right here, so we can buy also. This is the best case scenario for me. But in trading, you don't always get your best case scenario. You just need to adapt in real time. You can see here clearly that the price is still rejecting this level. I did just put a position here to know if I can get to my TP1. Doesn't mean that I've entered the trade. I'm just checking. We broke out, but like you know, we always wait for the candle to be over. A sell here is risky, to be frank. but the trading is already riskier. The best entry was here, exactly at this candle. I wasn't in front of my setup, that's why I didn't take it. So yeah, it will look something like this. Check. Yeah, we will be stopped out at break even, and yeah, got only the TP1, so no problem. Let me rewind this playlist. And yeah, how much we are down? Minus 7,300. And for this month, 45. So if you can see right here, with all losses, because I lose also, but I win more. So we can see here a clear rejection. I hope that the price continue going down and get in a buy trade, to be honest, because if we took a sell right here and the TP1 will be at 50 pips, 78, so 82, the TP1 will be right here, so I think we will get pushed up by this EMA. So I will not be entering a sell. We'll wait for the perfect trade. If we did a buy right here, the stop loss would be under the big green candle. Yeah, it needs to be somewhere like this. So let's go, keep going down. And at least to, yeah, because now you can see here that we have equal, yeah, you can say it's a high at the lower time frame. What happened? I just don't like trading inside the zone, if you know what I mean. I always prefer to trade either up in this one or in this one, but yeah, if I see a good setup, I will immediately enter. No questions this morning. The chat is quiet, no problem. Let's see. And please do not copy trade me. This is for educational purposes only. So I will enter a buy at 85 exactly. And yeah, let's see. So the trade is at 85, the entry. This will be the TP and this will be the stop loss. It's a bit risky to be honest, but yeah, let's go. At 85 we said 50 at 85, yes, 50 85. The TP it would be 50.90. The second one will be at 50.95 and the third one will be at 51.05 and stop loss it's at 50.78. So let's get rid of this. Let me quickly update my stop loss and everything. 85, 78, 90, 78, 95, and the last one is 78 for the stop loss and 51.05. So yeah, let's get the levels. So TP1 will be at 90 for 50 pips. This is the TP1 at 90. Sorry. The second one will be at 95. This is the TP2. And the last one will be at 05. This is the TP3. Okay, so here is the trade. M5. And let's see. And like I told you, do not copy trade me. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Just quick disclaimer. So new candle. The problem is this one, this previous candle that I can see here, yeah, didn't reject this EMA with the clear wick. So yeah, let's see. And this is the floating P&L. See if everything looks good. Yes. Should move it for a bit right here. So, and if I get stopped out, I will be looking at these levels. But yeah, also the sell right here was great, but no problem. Let's watch. And don't forget, everyone, it's okay to lose. It isn't okay to revenge trade, to to get back your capital or your previous wins, or you just entered the trade. I wrote it yesterday when I was in my bed. So where it is. Yes, like I've said, we trade probabilities and we detach from the outcomes. That means, like I always say in the live stream, I already counted this trade as a loss. Immediately after entering it. So to prepare my mind that, if this trade goes wrong, it was already a loss, At the last minute, we are at the last minute of this 5-minute candle. Let's see. Let's see if this candle can push up more. There is some volume. Let's see. Did we touch TP1? Not yet. You can see here on trading view that we touch it, but on the actual account we didn't yet. 87, we need to go to the 90. We need to go right here. And like always, if we get to the TP1, I move my stop loss to the break even right here. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, yes. TP1 is hit. Let me quickly change my stop loss to the entry. The entry was at 85. And 85. So let me update that in the group, because I've already sent this trade to my premium group. They don't even need to watch these live streams. So let's see. I account history, we were at 45. This is the TP1 of gold. The entry was at 85, and yeah, let's hope we still move up and get a full TP. If not, the stop loss is already at break even, SL at break even. So, and yeah, my trade now is risk free. If you can see, yeah, the stop loss is at 85, and we get, and yeah, this is the TP1. I don't know how this MT4 web app counts the profit and loss, because on my actual MT4 terminal, if you can go to the history and set, for example, from the 1st of January until today, we can see 47. Maybe it counts from the 27th of December until today. Let me see. Yes, MT4 web app count the last 30 days. So yeah, custom period, let's do from the 1st of this month. And yeah, let's continue monitoring this trade. Now my concern is get to the break even, then shoot up. But yeah, we can always re-enter if we see an indication right here. So, and also one other thing, you can see the price is still rejecting this high that I drawed earlier. So yeah, we were stopped out at break even for this one. Let's delete, or I will keep it and see if we can take another trade. Because yeah, we can see here that the price is still rejecting this white EMA. Why the chat today is so dead? Come on, guys. What's wrong? Do you even hear me? So yeah, I still think that we should go in. The problem is we are above. Let me wait. Asgarali, hello. Hello Asgarali, is it your first time on the live stream? And where are you from, bro? Yeah, you can see right here we will still go up, I believe. Let me wait for the last minute and see. Welcome. Make sure to subscribe and like the live stream So I go live every single day at the exact hour. So to trade gold. And where are you from? Welcome. Welcome to people from India. Yeah. This is what I hate the most, as price wicks out my break-even point and shoot up, to be honest. Let's see if we can get another entry. So, and it needs to be under this wick right here. I will wait for the price to go down a bit and see if we can get into another trade. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We are at 87, let's say, yeah. At 84. 83. Our entry was at 85, yeah? So let's see. 83 and something like this. No, doesn't make sense. I think. Hello Eric, what's up, bro? How are you? I'm doing great, thank you. So we entered this trade earlier and we got the TP1, and after that we got stopped out at break even. Now I'm thinking yeah, I think this still looks good, to be honest. So let's go at 83. 83, 88, 93, 0, some 83, 0, 76. Yeah, the entry is a bit 76, yeah, 88. Price moved so fast. No problem, bro. This happens in trading. Your goal now should be to stay in the game as long as possible. Yeah, this is my entry at 83. Let me quickly at 76 and 83, 93. Yeah, price moved so fast. Yeah, TP1 is already hit. 76 and 03. So I will change my stop loss to the entry exactly now. 83. Yeah, price moves so fast. So you can see here, so this is the TP1. So my entry was exactly at 83, my stop loss at 76, my TP at 88. This was triggered, closed. Now I still have this one and this one. So the stop loss is already at break even for both positions left. Let's see. And I also forgot to add the levels, because yeah, it happened so fast. 83, the 88 was for the TP1. Hopefully, yes. Yeah, because of everything happening in the world, I think gold will continue hitting all-time highs. So this is for the TP3 at 03. Eric, are you in my premium group? So yes. So for premium members who didn't got to enter this trade, yeah, maybe price moved so fast and you didn't get to move the stop loss to your entry, or didn't get to get the exact entry that I had, so at 83. So if the price is 10 pips far from my entry, please don't go in for the premium members. Okay. So I thought you are in my premium group because I have many Germans there. And for everyone, if you like this entry, please make sure to like this live stream and comment if you did go in or not. You didn't know how you found me, so maybe you found me on Whoop or on Instagram or on TikTok or in ads or something, Facebook ads. Yeah, we didn't touch the TP2 yet, so you can see here on TradingView that we touched the TP2, but on the actual account we didn't. In the past years, I found a lot of signals groups, so I just watching them for time before I took their signal thing. It was Instagram. Okay, so my old Instagram is gone because it got deleted, and yeah, you can find my new Instagram on the first link or the second link or on the description, or just search for DAX and Trades. This is a completely new Instagram. I lost all my followers in the previous account. Which concept do you follow? Purely price action for Asgarali. Yes, purely price action. Yeah, especially for gold, I follow purely price action. And for forex pairs too. So if we can get to the, look at this. I was stopped at break even after the TP TP2. Yes. Did we touch TP2 on CHFGPY? Let me check. CHFGPY, yes. So look at this. But yeah, this trade is gone, no problem. And to answer your question, I purely trade price action and especially trade pullbacks. If you can see, I go in when price is pulling back, exactly like I did right here for the CHFGPY. I also entered EURUSD. You can see right here that the price is trending up, pullback. I've entered. Now it's still at entry or a small drawdown, no problem. Yeah, this is my concept and this is how I trade. So let's go back to gold. Are you? Yeah, we are still in the trade. We didn't touch the TP2 yet, no. We touched the TP2 only on TradingView. Yeah, let me add stop loss at break even for you to know. Yeah, when I started the live stream, we were at minus 7,000 in open PNL. Now we are at minus 4,000. These are the both positions open that I have for gold. So, and the stop loss is at 83, exactly when I entered. Do you follow news? Yes, of course, but I don't follow news. I just see what's happening in a geopolitical way. So, for example, if you see that Trump has taken the the president of Venezuela, you exactly know what it will happen, you know? Or you see that the interest rates is low, or that happens automatically in the brain. So when you see that the world have fear, gold shoots up. When the dollar go down, gold shoot up. When the dollar go up, gold shoot down. So yeah, because the price action that you see here is the exact translation of people emotions. So if people feel secure and trust the dollar, gold will go down. If people feel that the world is unstable, there are too many conflicts in the world, they need to protect their wealth and they go straight to the gold, you know? Yeah, I don't know when Trump will have the speech. Let me check. Exactly, Trump speech. To speak in Iowa. Yeah, he will speak in Iowa. Energy and the economy. He will speak about the energy and the economy. So, and always when Trump takes the presidency, the markets are amazing. Not like with Biden. So we did touch the TP1, but yeah, you can see here that we touched the TP2, but on my account not yet. Maybe some of you already touched the TP2. We want your educational video. Yeah, I took a trade yesterday on gold. Edic was there. So yeah, I have the recording. I just need to upload it on YouTube. And yeah, I will start doing educational videos, I think. But live streams are way better because you can ask live questions. I can answer you guys questions. You can see me trade live, not like the 90% of people that you see their YouTube videos. You don't have any proof that they trade live. Their accounts are real, like you see here. And yeah, live streams are better for education, but the YouTube videos are better for the channel growth, because I go live streaming since I think 2 months now, and the growth is too slow. So yeah, I started to think about doing videos. Abud, yeah, can you rewrite please, because I didn't understand. We are 47 minutes live. Yeah, please go up, don't hit my... Yeah, you see, this is what I hate the most, is price touching exactly my entry, then go up. So I'm out of this trade. Let me see. Yes, it's TP1, this is the TP1, and this is the break even. Yes, I was, but my stop loss is at break even and price touched my stop loss, if you can see right here on this candle. So yeah, so far on the live stream, 2 gold trades they both touched the TP1 and did go straight to the stop loss, to the break even, sorry. So this trade is gone. And yeah, like I was saying in the beginning of the live stream, I hate trading in the middle like this. Yeah, maybe price will go down to this zone and we will have better entry or something. Let me quickly remove these levels. And Abud, are you also new to my channel? I think this is the first time that I see your name. So this is the power of moving your stop loss to the entry exactly after the TP1. You avoid these situations right here. So now what? Yeah, we had an equal highs right here, so we can see a lower high. We had a low. We have now a lower high, so you can see clearly that the price is in a downtrend. This whole thing can be just a pullback, so the price can continue up. So but yeah, these are the things that you need to monitor when trading. If you yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know, because I think this is pretty easy to understand. But yeah, if you have any questions, no problem. But like I've said, so this doesn't mean that gold will reverse or something. This can be only a pullback, because if you go to the higher time frame, you'll see nothing is happening. Let me quickly delete all of this. Welcome to the live stream. Where are you from? So let's get to this level right here. And we have this level also. And like I've said, and don't forget that we have a trend line like this, and we broke it. So let's see if we can get an entry down below here. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, 60% of you isn't subscribed to the YouTube channel, and put your notifications bell on. I'm from Jordan. Welcome, bro. So, and are you? Yeah, Jordan is a very good country, to be honest. The nature there is amazing. It's like a stable Lebanon, I believe, yeah? So now the price doesn't want to get to this level right here. And we are exactly in the middle. And we are below the white EMA. That's why I don't trade for, yeah, only for to have a trade on the live stream. I will wait for a clear opportunity to go in, because yeah, if I can see that the price is rejecting this white EMA, I will think about entering, but for now, no entry. And this is the trick to be profitable, is you don't trade just for trading. You learn to wait. And Abu, did you find me on YouTube? Has YouTube started to recommend my live streams or not? So we are still at minus 7,500. So yeah, for all these trades, you can see right here, let me show you. These are still at entry, but I have one who is causing these problems here. So if I get stopped out for this last one you see above, it will not be minus 7,000. Which indicator is that? What do you mean? Which one? I can't see no indicator. Or you talking about something else? This is only an EMA, the white line. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go to the higher time frame and see. So let's see. All-time high was at 51.12. Let's see if we can get an entry at this zone. So let me see. We put my position and see if where we can go in. Somewhere here would be a good entry at 72, but we wait. It falls. Yes, it's going down, and that's good. So we can buy it from here and have a good trade. So I will be looking for buys at this zone right here. I just need the price to move further down to these zones right here, somewhere here, so we can be protected by this wick. So, and don't forget that we have this level right here. So you can see that the price is rejecting it, but we need to wait, of course, to have an even better entry. So we are now live for 1 hour. So let's hope we get another entry. We're still at 77. We want the price to go down further. I've been profitable for 7 years now, but I started trading in 2017. So 9 years, I believe. Lost a lot of money at the first 2 years. Then, yeah. Started to be profitable. So here is 74. And let's do something like this. One year. Yeah, if you follow a good strategy and you have a good mindset, you will be profitable in no time. So gold. So 75. I want to enter at 74 because you can see here this is the first rejection, this is the second so far. We need the price to go down further at 74-ish, something like that. Mindset, purely mindset. Let me give you the exact thing that flipped from losing all the time to winning. It's not FOMO. You don't fear of missing out. For example, I see the price right here. I don't enter. I want to enter right here at 73 or 74. So don't FOMO and don't revenge trade. And every single time you go into a trade, you count it already in your mind as a loss. So you say, can I lose this trade without problems? In your mind, if you say yes, and you can afford to lose this trade, you can go in. And of course, the strategy. So yeah. And backtesting also. So if you backtest your strategy for 2 years before, and you will have more confidence in your strategy. And let me go in now at 72. Let me see. So my entry is at 72, I believe. 72. And give me a second. 72, 77, 82, and 92. 72 minus 7 is 65. Let me quickly add 65, 77, 65, 72, 82. And I don't trade only gold, I trade also Forex pairs. And yeah, Forex pairs are easier than gold and move slower than gold and don't have the amount of manipulation you see on gold. 65 and 92. So yeah, it's 70. So this is the TP1 at 77. So at 82, this is the TP2. And yeah, in my mind, this trade is already a loss. So this is what I meant before. So I already lost this trade in my mind. If I win this trade, no problem. If I lose it, also no problem. So let me see. Yes, the entry is here. You can see 72-ish. So if we go to 77, it will be a TP1. Then I move the stop loss to the entry. TP1 is hit. Let me see. Yes, I move the stops to my entry. And 72 and 72. So the stops are already at entry right here. So let's see. Are looking good. We had, I believe, let me see. I deposit last week 2K and made 80K after the sale yesterday. Now I'm at 25K. Yeah. So you deposited 2K and made 80K? How? Last week 2K and made 80K. That means you full ported, yeah? You full ported your 2K. No, bro, you full ported. 2K to 80K is counted as a flip. It's not trading. You just full ported your account, but if you had a good entry on gold and you can lose that 2K with no problems, yeah, no problem. congratulations on that. But yeah, you already turned, you should think about it this way. You already turned the 2K to the 25K. Forget about the 80K, just completely forget about it. And yeah, get some rest. If you notice that your mind is not in shape, so yeah, just take some profits and go for 3 days or 4 days without touching the charts, then come back. Are we stopped out or not yet? Yes, we stopped out. So I think it will be it for the live streams. I will continue trading on premium. So make sure to join my Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. Thank you so much for being live with me here today. And yeah, let's meet tomorrow. Bye guys.